To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. Then, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile settings. In your profile, tap on Settings to proceed. Next, navigate to Chats. Under Chat Settings, you will find the Autosave After Receive option. Tap on it. By default, photos and videos received from contacts are automatically saved to your phone's gallery. To stop saving only videos, disable the slider next to Videos. Repeat the same steps for photos, if you want to stop saving them automatically as well. Now go back. If you want photos and videos not to be saved automatically, even when you send them to someone, make sure to keep this slider turned off. This feature lets you control which media files are saved, helping manage your phone's storage efficiently. So that's how you can stop IMO photos and videos from autosaving to your phone.